عاش اتحاد إماراتنا، عشت لشعب دينه الإسلام، هديه القرآن، حصلتك بسم الله يا وطن.
نتجت لنا صحراءنا الذهبية هدية، هي رمز للاتحاد والثبات، صلة وصل بين الماضي والحاضر، رمز يليق بروح إكسبو 2020 وقيمه، روح التواصل وصنع المستقبل. إكسبو 2020 دبي.
ما أريد من هذا الشعب إلا أن يزيد في الحمد والشكر إلى الله عز وجل، ويزيد من محبة الوطن، ويزيد من العمل ومضاعفة العمل لما يسعى فيه من خير له وللدولة والأهل. هذا اللي أنا أدوره من الشعب، وربنا إن شاء الله يوفقنا جميعا على ما يحب ويرضى.
أعزائي المشاهدين، كما عودناكم في كل أسبوع أن نستضيف لكم خيرة من دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. ولهذا الأسبوع قصة نجاح أتتنا من الهند. Mr. Jiraj and Dr. Divya. Good afternoon at the first.
Good afternoon.
At the first, we'll start from the owner who found the center in Dubai. Mr. Jiraj, can we know more about you? Who is Jiraj and from where you come and which year you come to UAE?
I'm Jiraj. Then I'm 1994. I'm here to more than business, doing more than 5 type of business here doing here. And first doing gold business, and now started new business and Ayurveda treatment centers.
Great. Why you choose UAE or Dubai to start your own business, Mr. Jiraj?
No, it's better for Dubai. Is every government is very good supporting everything. Every more options, everything very helpful. Very helpful in Dubai.
And can we know who is Deva?
Yeah.
മെഡിക്കൽ ഡയറക്ടർ ഡോക്ടർ ദിവ്യ മേനോന്റെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ പ്രമേഹം, രക്തസമ്മർദ്ദം തുടങ്ങി വന്ധ്യത വരെ പ്രവാസികളെ അലട്ടുന്ന പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാം പരിഹാരമാവുന്ന ചികിത്സകൾ ഇവിടെ ലഭ്യം.
My name is Dr. Divya. I come from India. I have been here in Dubai since 6 years.
MashaAllah.
And I've been working as an Ayurvedic physician and medical director of this clinic, Swasthya Ayurveda, which is situated in Karama. And I really feel it good that I could spread Indian system of medicine here in UAE with the government approval so that it's popular, Ayurveda.
Great. I asked you before the questions, you tell me we are working in 2 centers, more than 22 persons. Can we know how we choose this 22 to give a good quality of service?
Yes, sure. The Dubai Health Authority and Ministry of Health UAE has set certain exams for all the professionals who work as Ayurvedic therapist and Ayurvedic practitioner or doctor. First, we have to clear the exam here in UAE, then we are getting a license from the government to practice that kind of medicine here. Once we get the license, we are free to work in different Ayurvedic treatment centers.
Great. Mr. Jiraj, you tell me you have more than 100 employees. The important things or our backbone, our team or our employees.
Okay.
How you choose from Dr. Dia and all of these people? By their experience or by their certificate?
Yeah, is every person very good servicing doing here. Then more than 100% here working, but every person is very good supporting.
Okay,
good
but how we choose them? This
choose employing choosing for India, my center in Ayurveda center. Then they're selecting.
Great.
Yeah, my family history is 9 generation for Ayurveda treatment for in India, Kerala. 9 generation, not 1 year, 10 years. So 9 generation, more than 500 year
ago.
We
need also to focus on the price which we'll give to the market. We must be compared between our price and good quality of service.
Yeah.
How you make the price with good quality of service?
Yeah, here is very different treatment. It's a marma treatment. It's very different. Here everywhere is operation, back pain, neck pain, everything different. Very expensive. Everything. But here then more than 5,000 dirhams, your back pain is fixed and neck pain is fixing.
MashaAllah.
Then otherwise your operation is very cost.
Yeah.
Here is Ayurveda treatment is very less price is treatment is finished.
Great. I know there is many product used in our medicine as oil and all these things. Can we know more, and can we know also your specialty exactly here?
I work as an Ayurvedic physician. My graduation is in Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery from India. So after finishing my course in India, I had 3 years of experience in my home country, and then I came to UAE and I have been practicing Ayurveda here. Since you asked about the oils and medicines used for treatment here, we import it from India.
Right.
We do not manufacture any kind of oils here. We get it from India and then we use it. And yes, the cost of importing medicines from India is high. Also the service charge, as Mr. Jairaj said, we are specialized in Marma Chikitsa. Marma Chikitsa means it's a branch of Ayurveda in which we use exact pressure points on the body. To tell you all, there are 108 pressure points on the body, and only if you press exactly on those pressure points for a certain period of time with certain pressure, that relieves your pain within minutes, rather than normal Ayurvedic oil therapies. So the main misconception here in Ayurveda in Dubai, what I have seen, is people think it's only massage and relaxation therapy what Ayurveda does, but that is not true. Ayurveda actually heals the body in a holistic way. It heals the mind and body. It finds the root cause of a disease and then heals it. So it doesn't give any side effect of like how we use other allopathic medications for pain or antidepressant. It doesn't give any other side effects. So it's completely safe and it's herbal. All the oils and medicines what we prepare is from nature. Right. It's like herbal preparation. So it's very close to our human body. It doesn't create any side effect, and definitely it relieves the pain in a much better way than undergoing surgeries or doing any other operations or invasive treatment.
Great.
Yeah.
I visit today your center in the morning, and I was talking with one of your customers. He gave a good feed about you, what you are doing. It's great, really. But we want to know how you can support the people who come here as a tourist. They don't have much time to stay because they have expenses a lot, and they want to make that treatment in short time. How you can help them?
Especially the tourists who come from faraway countries, they suffer from a syndrome called jet lag, because they might be traveling for 15 or 17 hours. They feel tired, they have swelling on their feet, they have headache, they have sleep problems, their biological cycle is disturbed. So we have small packages, so they don't have to pay per session. If they go for a normal package, they can just pay and take a 1 hour or 2 hour or 3 hour complete package, which has Shirodhara, full body, Abhyanga. They are all oil therapies which help to relax your muscles and mind and body.
Right.
So it helps the tourist in that way. And who are the national of UAE and also the expatriates here, their insurance card covers Ayurvedic treatments on reimbursement basis.
Great.
So those who are insured with the medical insurance card here, they can use the insurance card here in our clinic to get the amount reimbursed. So even the government supports Ayurveda in the form of providing insurance for Ayurvedic treatments.
But you not answer me about how you can make the short treatment for the tourist people.
So as you asked, sir, that how we support the tourists who come for 7 days or 10 days treatment at
Yes.
Swasthya Ayurveda for Marma Chikitsa, it is that before coming itself, we take the booking, we confirm with them from which day till which day they will have treatment.
Great.
Once they arrive here, we have people to pick them up. We put them in convenient hotels, or we inform that these are the hotels and lodges available near our center, so that they have a comfortable stay. At the time of treatment, we go and pick them, and after the 1 hour or 1.5 hour session at our center, we drop them back. If they don't opt for our pick up and drop facility, they are guided with our front desk to come appropriately to the right location, and once they finish treatment, we make sure that they are comfortable and they are left behind in their hotel rooms.
Sometime all people they need like a home service. You can do that or not allowed?
Yes, until now we have not started, but we already have plans to start home service.
Great.
Because you might be knowing there are so many people suffering from paralysis. They cannot move from their bed, or they have problems in which they are bedridden.
Right.
Also, there are so many treatments called postnatal therapy. The mothers who give birth to their babies, immediately after the delivery, they require so many Ayurvedic treatments for the baby and mother. So for these category of patients, we have developed a plan for home service as well, in which our team, the doctor and 2 therapists accompanies to the home of the person, and we do the treatment there.
And we have also like a sale for the special needs.
Yes. In the clinic itself, we have designed the washrooms and other areas, especially for special needed or disabled people, or those who are using wheelchair.
Great.
And yes, if they are bedridden completely, we go to them and then provide our service at their homes.
MashaAllah. Can we know, Mr. Gerard, your future plan, please?
Yeah, future plan here Dubai, more than 6 other branches coming here.
And do you think to have an open out of the UAE, like on the Gulf?
No, it's better for Dubai.
Better for Dubai.
Yeah.
At the moment you are focusing
on
UAE.
Focusing, help very helpful Dubai government.
Great. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, he mentioned in my vision book, we have always to be number 1. We have always to be in the top.
Yeah.
If I ask you about your center, what you are unique things and what you are number 1 in your center?
Yeah, is a unique treatment center. Marma.
Yeah.
Dubai, not anywhere. Anyone not doing any treatment center, not Marma treatment. Only for here.
Yeah.
Marma treatment only for Dubai. This center only.
And you, ma'am, you want to add something?
Yeah, as he said, there are many Ayurvedic centers here in Dubai operating like us, but what we specialize is basically in Marma Chikitsa, and we make sure that each of our patient is satisfied, and even if he has some problems, we are open to them to contact us anytime, even after the treatment.
Mr. Gerard, if you have a message to say thanks for who support you in your business life, for who you will say thanks?
Yeah, first one, my family is my father and mother. Then my grandfathers, everything is very supportive. 9th generation for this treatment center. Then my colleagues, my staff. Then special for Dubai government. Very thanks for
Great. And doctor, today, if you have a message to say thanks, who support you in your education and to reach to this level, for who you will say thanks?
Definitely, yes. I first of all thank God, and then I thank my teachers who have supported me to bring to this level. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor because of God's blessings, my parents' blessings, and my teachers' knowledge which they gave me, the practice through my college level and my career. And I thank the management here at Swasthya, the owner, Mr. Jairaj. They gave an opportunity for me to practice here. And finally, I do thank the UAE government who gave an opportunity for Indian doctors and Ayurvedic practitioners like us who can come here outside India and practice under their license.
Mr. Gerard, if you have advice from you today for the people who want to come to UAE to investment, what you will advise them?
Yeah, Dubai government is very helpful. You are clear business, any clear business, you are 100% supporting Dubai government. Otherwise, again, so many business and doing, but paperwork, everything is good. Your staff support.
Like smart government.
Yeah. So you are clear business. Dubai government, you are supporting 100%.
If you have a message, Doctor, for the Dubai small government which help us to apply or to registration or to do anything from our home or our office, what message you will say for the smart government?
Yeah, the smart government, I will say it's really smart in terms they avoid so much of writing and paperwork. It is almost 90% of the government transactions is online.
Right.
So that is the best thing which today's world needs. Nobody needs to go to the office, stand in queue. We can just do everything online, and if we are perfect in our standard of levels, definitely the government is supportive, and their fine system and their inspections, I appreciate that, because to maintain a standard quality of a clinic, of a running clinic, there should be set guidelines which needs to be inspected within 3 months or 6 months. So I appreciate that level of standard which they maintain.
After COVID-19, we have also to use many things in our center to keep safe also about the COVID-19. What the change happened here in your center?
According to the DHA guidelines, we have been doing the disinfection program every day. It is done every night after the treatment before closure of the facility. All our patients who enter the clinic are undergone a temperature check, and they have to sign a consent form that they have not been traveling in last 28 days, or they don't have any chronic respiratory disease or any fever or any symptoms of COVID-19, which can be a perspective for positive cases. And then only we make them enter. And yes, social distancing and wearing of mask and hand sanitization is basically what everybody follows here.
Great. And if they want to book, which number they can call you, or which in social media they can find you?
We are there on www.swasthiaayurveda.com on this website, and for bookings they can call 0439 77886.
Thank you, Dr. Gerard. Mr. Gerard, if you have a message for the government of UAE, which we are living on the safety country and the peaceful country, which help us to grow in our business. You choose Dubai because you were saying from the first interview, it's a number one, but a number one in a safe and peaceful to grow in this business. What you will say for the leaders of UAE?
Yeah, leaders very supportive, Then I enjoy living here.
Alhamdulillah.
Very.
Thank you, Mr. Gerard, for your time, and thank you, Doctor, for your time. Also, we wish for you, inshallah, to be one of the international companies start in Dubai as a business therapist. Thank you again.
Thank you so much for your channel and team members to come here and interview us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
العروبة كلنا نفتي